Hi, today I'm gonna have a really quick video regarding delaying some code in Swift. So I've created a brand new project here and I'm gonna show you how to delay some code. So I've got the view.load right here, and to delay a code you're gonna use a closure using the main thread. So let me show you how to do that real quick. So call up dispatchQueue dot main, indicating that we're dispatching it to the main thread, and then async after, and you could choose this first one, although we're gonna modify it a bit. You could delete that last part because we don't need it, and this is a closure, so you need to add your two curly braces. And here in the dispatch time you want to write .now and plus the amount of seconds that you want to write, that you want it delayed. So this is going to delay 5 seconds. So any code that you write in here will delay 5 seconds. So let's have a look. So I'm going to print a statement here. This statement should be delayed by 5 seconds. And just to make sure, I'm going to put something outside of the dispatch queue. And since this is in the view.load, it should automatically print right away in the console. And I'm going to say this statement should print right away as soon as the view loads. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the console here at the bottom, and let's go ahead and run this, simulate this, and you'll see that the iPhone should pop up in a second, and this statement comes up, and 5 seconds later the second statement should pop up. The statement should be delayed 5 seconds, and that's pretty much it. So dispatchQueue.main.async after deadline : .now parentheses, there's a function plus the amount of seconds you want. Make sure you add the two curly braces, and any code inside of here will be delayed. Thank you for watching.